Echopit Soroti municipality Aswam kapa Eibuga alapalo kaintara diope okare luknyare keda keseran diopne da awom tutori tungalo ipuebe yata kinodo kwana pia kanwa keone jana kine Nwa umokin ebala engineer lo Eibuga Soroti Robert Kairu ebe mama tokisho na tere kine municipality kedem ijula kina kitoni na karadike kidabo isina kwa Eibuga Abara engineer Kairu ebe idela ijukunu na pia adis osodi Kotoma chuma nueroto akanya penu ipodai areibon atinga kamatoka na imanmanera somno rotin nuda kere munara kesejasi o Eibuga iborebu ikitikesi ailipanari Soroti kasereda.
Actually, this financial year, to be precise, they gave us a planning figure of 906. We are closing the financial year, but we have not realized all that money. And yet the burden is not on potholes alone. The total network requires our routine intervention in terms of slashing, in terms of reshaping the roads that have failed or are about to fail. Even still within this small money, that's where we are opening some roads.
So that is the way that the city has. It is grounded. We don't have a road unit. That's the only equipment we will talk of. Now as I talk, what we only have is a supervision vehicle that keeps on failing. Right now it's grounded again.
Agirigiran lo Irotin ko Eibuga Soroti Isaac Asaku ngesi abalebe ijukununo kesi sirgini disinoi kwapna miliona kwatare kangini la pio uni aboisna miliona kwatare keda kesela lukanya pem.
Mama tunzera no Soroti se ekologista ta Aswam ko yimo mi bore bedo ya Aswam. Ite tu ngari rehabilitation works eri bore ne langi mo sile municipality ejukan kinsa kuban 1.2 billion 1.5 billion. Ko yeko bana ni rawo aso esite mamsi do billion edobe. So the 13 wards I am going apakyo ni rasi ward ni tomonare ejuka kino so 1 billion ko ni rasi ward na pesa lokan esi juka ni ko million na ko kenyo
e wol nosno akaona itunga moni nebem epakadara panya o Eibuga ibora ya kanashano ipo
so kopane neroni regesar nga kangasano ipuwa nyono karuje to karlo ne petai adum makero adum isapanya no akangasano edolli tumitom na kanyape mor ki site kere ne beta edol daka na sana edol daka isari chemore muno kere ja ene je site ya anyu be setting out a team lo enukan kina panyangu ere anyu nye kina atwa kana tumbora ene patana
etepedo no mam jita panya raja ina ngodo jita je deti jo kika soma dumi ka soma akana sada jo ya fudu na kana ngadon kwa nangro na ngon apugare ngara kiso nuka Irotin tembo kinara chaba kabe city do tebe city mamere city
anya ngore kosa nukyo town talks sito se dada ngolo tukuriante to ngalos ale pa kosko so kaina kipetene
ponele tache ngase ko ta temo kitepe apanya ni city alo ewoli orete
ara na sotera bua kwa na jaka Roma ida na barejena kungala mapani ndo ni pumzado ina kai ado na panyango
Rabani police nkokide na kokioga Oscar Agecha ngesi abalebe emameto keskeli isula luitunga luikanga sito sapania kwenye ebem akiseke nyunu kangulu kwa tat no akanga shano isoma unosko Eibuga Soroti kesda yanga ntosi pipiki luipilitos itoni apanya adam
I can say about 80% of the city are caused by cyclists or into of the motorcyclist in one form or another. Because you assume to know it's a pothole, it's supposed to slow down and then go slowly. Because there is no system in our law which logs accidents according to how many potholes you hit, that which is not there. So we normally attribute if you as a driver you're careless enough maybe to hit a pothole, to hit a road signage, that is driver error. So that's why it's hard to come with statistics on that.
Kejangunda engineer Kairu kaigirgira nasaku ke city general to sebe atia kunweri million na kaisare luka Uganda road fan kanuda beranu ke apanyana rakokonoi atupita na mea Juliet Ipagi ngesi abalebe epote kesi ayataki ni sirigino routine okarlo apia lo ebuni
usapika ina budget anwa anyu the next financial year ikapuno potera matemonikini routine work arai bikori sokesi konya lele asi amuna sakipi ni tejo be e jasa panya nuda e jasa so akoto e community alo to mut dolo ni ne lwana narai mami bore ni pero ni kapi mame to na graders ere lipito
okari lukniare keda keseran diop Dr. Julius Okelo lo isoma ya pese kirigi lo apugan ngesi abale bem e corona bo ya nua etidishana ro na sirigin lo yuki districtan Airabet nesatia kuni Eibuga Soroti ne pepe Eibuga chei tom nangon arasa keseuni ola palo kaintare okari lukniare keda kaisare Dilax Emi Alamu Kanuka TV is okay, merana